Hello students, hope you are doing well. Myself Namrata Kulkarni, grade 4 SSC teacher. Today we are going to learn about important part of the social studies. We are going to start with the important part. Like a human body, heart is an important body part. So history is the important part of social studies. History. Do you know what is history? Anything which took place in the past is called as history. Can you identify history? I'll give you an example of me and my grandmother to tell you about my history. When I was very small, I was noticing my grandmother. She was using attractive shawl. I was fond of the shawl. One day, out of curiosity, I asked her, "Grandmother, why are you using the shawl every day? And can I borrow it from you?" She glanced at me and smiled. I thought she don't want to give me the shawl. But at the time of my marriage, my grandmother came to me and she gave me that shawl and said, "Now this is yours." I was very surprised because I got the thing which I wanted from her. That shawl is up till with me. I am feeling very comfortable whenever I am using the shawl, and the touch and love of my grandmother I am feeling whenever I am using the shawl. So this is my history. My history is long as compared to you because I am elder than you. But you are in grade 4. So approximately you are of 9-10 years 11 years old. So your history is small or short as compared to me. Do you remember your grandparents are telling about their history? They might have told you the name of their school, the name of their friends. What is that? That is a history. Okay, one more example. Do you know the serial Tarak Mehta? In that, one character is there. Yes, Atmaram Tukaram Bhire. Always he used to say, "Hamare zamane mein." What is his zamana? That is the history of him. Yes, it is a history to him. So, can you think what is the history? Yes, it is the past. History is the past. Now, can we relate various subjects with the history? I will tell you how. If we will talk about computers, the language we were learning before when I was small, I was learning the languages of the computer, but now it is developed. Now we are learning Python, Java. So it is developed. So history is the base, and the many things, modern things which are there, which are related to the history. We can relate sports with the history. Like, have you seen the movie MS Dhoni? Yes, it is the story. It is the history of the Dhoni. It is picturized by somebody else. The actor is somebody else, but it is the history. So it is the history of Mr. Dhoni. We can take another example. A cricketer, Sachin Tendulkar. Whether he is playing cricket right now? No, he is not playing the cricket. But the history created by him is with us. We do remember Mr. Sachin Tendulkar. So history is there for every subject. Now what is going on in your mind? Yes, you are thinking whether the study of history is important? Yes, it is important to study history because for everything the base is history. To know about somebody, we should know the history. Wait, you see some pictures. We saw some pictures of forts owned by Shivaji Maharaj. Do you know who is Shivaji Maharaj? Shivaji Maharaj who fought for Swaraj. In our city, there is one museum in which some things which are kept, that is the coins, the clothes used by Shivaji Maharaj and the people who were there during Shivaji Maharaj era. So, have you ever visited the museum? you should visit the museum. So it is important. Because of the things kept, we can study the history, and because of the history, we can come to know about the great personalities like Veer Savarkar, APJ Abdul Kalam. Because of the books, because of their history, we came to know about them. Because they are not with us right now. Now, I will tell you one thing. If you want to invent something, like if you will decide to invent the wheel, whether it is possible? No, because wheel is already invented. But if you don't know the history of the wheel, how you can work on it? You can't invent the wheel, but you can improvise. You can improve the quality of the wheel. For that purpose, it is important to study the history of the wheel. Like that, the history, it is the base of each and every topic, each and every subject. I'll give you an example. When I was small, or maybe your parents, grandparents, how they were maintaining relations with with their relatives or the friends, maybe by telephone, maybe by personal meetings. Now, what we are doing? We are using social medias like WhatsApp, Facebook and Instagram. So, whether the base history now it is converted to the modern things, but base is there. They were maintaining the relation, and now you are also maintaining the relation. Difference is there, but the base is the history. One more thing I will tell you, that as I have said you about the computers, as I have said you about the sports, like that cultures are there, and even your mother, your grandmother, which kind of clothes they were using, and now what we are using or what we are wearing, that is also related to history only. So to study the history, it is very much important. The mistakes done by the people, we can't use them. We can't make the same mistake again and again. We have to work on that, and that things we can come to know after the study of the history. Okay, I want to tell you one thing, that one who want to create the history, he should know the history. Who knows the history very well can create a history in the life. So, like this, in the next lesson, we are going to deal with very much interesting things and topics related to history. So, we will meet in the next lesson. Thank you.